Hello everyone, in this video I'll walk you through how to set up and use the Exasol MCP server with Claude Desktop to interact with your Exasol SAS database using natural language. Let's start with the official GitHub repository for the Exasol MCP server. Here you can find all the setup instruction, prerequisites, and configuration details required to get started. One important prerequisite to highlight is that you need Python version 3.10 or higher installed on your system in order to run the MCP server with Claude Desktop successfully. This repository also includes installation commands, environment setup instruction, and example to help you configure the integration quickly. Now let's move to Claude Desktop. So after opening Claude Desktop, I'll go to Settings, then Developer, and from there I'll open the configuration file, and as soon as I click on edit config, Claude opens a JSON configuration file where we need to add the Exasol MCP server configuration. So this is where I'll provide my Exasol SAS database connection details, including the host, port, username, password, and other required parameters for the connection. Once the configuration is complete, I'll save the file and restart Claude so the changes can take effect. Now that Claude has restarted, let's verify whether the MCP server is successfully connected or not. As you can see, the Exasol MCP tools are now available inside Claude, confirming that the connection is active and running. I'll quickly check if my cluster is also running or not. So yeah, it's working. I'll also check in the chat itself if the database is connected or not. And you can see, yep, it's running and responding, and we got 3 schemas in our database. Next, I'll test the setup by asking Claude to explore the database, for example, listing available tables and retrieving sample data. Can you list available tables? Claude is directly interacting with Exasol SAS environment through MCP server. Share some insights on warehouse table. As you can see, instead of manually writing SQL queries, I can simply ask questions in natural language, whether it's querying table, analyzing data, or generating insights. Claude automatically creates and executes the SQL queries through Exasol and returns the result in a much more conversational way. This creates a faster and more interactive experience for developers and data teams working with Exasol. And that's a quick walkthrough of integrating the Exasol MCP server with Claude Desktop for AI-powered conversational analytics on Exasol SAS.